I have a friend na meron ding Chery. Sinuggest sa akin yung Chery. And so, nung time na nag-test drive kami, pumunta kami dun sa Chery. One of the best na experience talaga namin nung tinest drive namin because of the comfort. It's a very comfortable driving experience, as in kahit dumaan ka sa mga bako-bako na part ng kalsada, hindi mo mararamdaman, especially kung tuloy-tuloy lang ang takbo mo. Maganda yung pag-aasikaso nila sa iyo pagdating mo pa lang, wini-welcome ka na. Overall yung after sales, wala akong problema. Wala akong na-encounter na problem with them. So yeah, I have no problem recommending the Chery na mga sasakyan.